Hello viewers, welcome to the channel AC Easy Learning. This is the fourth lecture in the chapter polynomial. Okay, today I start about the number of zeros in a graph. Okay, given a graph and you can find what is the number of zero here. Okay, how we find that number of zeros? That any graph, you have any graph, the graph intersects the x-axis in how many points? That is the number of zero. How many points the graph intersects the x-axis. This number show you what is the number of zero. Okay, I give an example that I draw a graph here. This is a graph. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. So you can see that here only one point that the graph intersect in the x-axis. So we say that in this graph the number is 1. Okay. If we draw another picture, this here the graph intersects the x-axis in 2 points. This is one point and this is 1 point. So the number of zeros is 2 here. Okay. You can see this type of this. So you find this is intersect point in x-axis, this is intersecting point, this is intersecting point. So here the graph intersects x-axis in 3 points. So obviously the number of zeros is 3 here. Okay. Okay, now say this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Here the number of zeros is 0 because the graph doesn't intersect at any point in the x-axis, right? Okay viewers, thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please like, and if you want to see this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and obviously share with your friends. Thank you.